Welcome everyone to my new presentation on Polygon cryptocurrency, which is yet again under domination. A heavy impact on the markets, especially with the fact that a couple of days left to close our 2023. We are looking for seeing another step forward for this cryptocurrency crossing the dollar mark, which means that we're entering in another league, a much more important situation for us to speak about. And today's presentation is going to be a price prediction down to the earth as usually, keeping the rational side of our discussion. In the meantime, make sure to follow me on my YouTube channel, subscribe, and check out the other presentations as well, including my YouTube shorts, which are speaking about my trades that I perform. By the way, you can join my trades as well. Option number 1 is no prior fee, only commission from the profits achieved, so it's based on performance, and the commission is paid by you every 7 days. Now, there is also the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there that is serious about this business and would like to transform their financial freedom opportunity into reality with the upcoming bull market. So what's happening on the Polygon side? Well, it's just about greatness as usually. When we correlate our technicals and price prediction with the reality, we clearly see that the markets are advancing as expecting. Number one thing that is extremely important for the past couple of days here is, especially since 21st of November, is we were able to hold our market structure above the band as well 200 days moving average. It would have been very hard to break below. That's the reality, but at the same time we need to consider the fact that we are sort of away in a position of breaking top and getting into the major fight here with an area filled up with a lot of the resistances. That's an area filled up with the major golden pocket at 1.25, with another supply area at 1.18, and then you still have the downtrending environment line from here, which is still active today as of 637 days on the price. So getting out of that zone will actually trigger a much better energy towards bullishness, and you will be able to see days of 25, 30, 35% on the mark, which is something that we're actually looking forward to. At the same time, the CRSI is pretty much portraying as the numbers are following through by breaking the previous high, so we don't have any divergence out there. And the great part of this is that the upper line of the cloud is indicating 67 index score, which means that there is room for this cryptocurrency to take it higher. We're nowhere near to be in an overbought area at all for a major scale. So nothing to worry about the current supply as well that we're dealing with. It is a minor one, which is not really efficient at the end of the day compared to the market environment we're dealing with. In a nutshell, Polygon is aiming for 1/20s, and that is from at this time, around 16 to 20%, I would say. Another move on the top of the things that happened today. So actually putting the numbers together and zooming in a little more, we will be able to see that from the low, we are going to go somewhere around 60% without trouble. Once we get to that zone, then the big deal opens for discussion and we might have a retracement. That retracement can easily get back to our, previous demand levels or so. I mean, this one needs to be considered at two places where reaction could appear. I would also enjoy to see a market breaking below a specific short-term intermediate structure of support that we would establish above the dollar mark, poke below the dollar mark, break below the markets, and find yourself in a great shape by moving with enough liquidity, which is why I'm saying it's needed basically to do something like that in order to get out of the difficult situation of 1.20, 1.25, which is how the reality looks like. That's it, a short video on Polygon, folks. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video as well. And for those of you that are interested, you can join my trading journey. Like I said, no upfront fees, only commission from the pure profits achieved. You can find out more on my trading journey page. You can reach out to me. You can check out the other videos as well, where I'm explaining more and see the details. Now, for those of you as well that are looking for being serious about this market and taking this business serious as possible, get first skills and education, which is something that I'm suggesting you join, something that would educate you. This is an alternative out here, one-on-one coaching program where I'm teaching you how to trade from a beginner's level to an advanced level. It is basically dedicated one-on-one live with me for any kind of knowledge on any type of part-time or full-time trading career, intensively working with me folks on the topic. Watch the video to find out more in a detailed way. As well, register now for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where I can explain you more. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon.